All right, so homework 33 starts out with introduction of the least common multiple of two monomials. LCM, least common multiple. So when you think about multiples, you think about the word multiply. You're going to get bigger. My multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. My multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So when I'm looking for the least common multiple, it's just like finding that common denominator that we found when we added fractions. My least common multiple of 10 and 8, well, is going to be 40. If you're not sure, start with the biggest number and start doing the multiples. 10 is my first multiple of 10. 8 doesn't divide into 10. 20 is my next multiple. 8 doesn't divide into 20. 30 would be my next one. 8 doesn't divide into 30. 40 is my next one. Oh, 8 divides into 40. There's my least common multiple. When I'm working with variables, I use all of my variables to the higher exponent. So if my variables are different, I'm going to use them both. If they're the same, I'm going to use the highest one because multiples are greater than or equal to my values. So in this case, I'm going to use both the m to the fourth and the a to the third because my variables are different. I have to have both of them. It's like when you have a 2 and a 3, your least common multiple, you have to do 2 times 3. You have to use them both. If I'm going to find my least common multiple of 12y squared and 9y to the fourth then, my least common multiple of 12 and 9 would be 36, exactly. Multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36. Oh, and 9 goes into 36. This time my variables are the same. I've got a y squared and a y to the fourth. Since I'm doing a multiple, I have to use the higher one. So y to the fourth is my common multiple. So you had ones that were greatest common factor where you found the smaller things, greatest common multiple, or least common multiple, you find the bigger ones. So if I'm going to do my least common multiple of 7m squared and 4m to the fourth, I would have what? 28. M to the fourth. And they'll do shorter ones and then they'll get the longer ones. I'm going to add space in there because it looks like there needs to be a space in there. While I'm thinking of it.